people no be small something o, no be small something o. Who come dey advise Olori dem when e be say dem dey for palace? Who dey give dem dis advice? Who dey give dem dis wetin dem dey call am hot temper when e be say dem come dey get? Dis one when Olori Ashley come dey do like dis, wetin come dey go on, wetin dey happen? Matter when we all think say we don resolve am, say we don resolve dis matter. We Ola in-law think say dis matter don go be dat, be say e don go, say dem don clear dis matter comot for table. We no know say some people never clear am comot o, dem still need answer. Finally, wahala dey shele o inside the Ooni of Ife palace right now. E dey hot bumper to bumper. Allege, as we dey hear some kind story when I say make I come chook mouth tell una dis matter when we just dey hear right away. My people, no be small matter o, no be small thing. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you just dey join us na Naija gist TV, help us to subscribe to the channel, make you click on the notification bell, like and share the video, help us drop your comment and give this video thumbs up. Yes, my people, as I talk am before, I say no be small something. Wahala don shele o inside the palace of Ooni of Ife. We no know come dey give all this Olori mind o. Olori dem when e be say dem dey for palace. We no know dey give dem the ego to dey do wetin dem no suppose to dey do. I go talk am like that. My people, no be small something o. This one wey we dey hear like this so I dey shocked lies when I hear this matter. Well, I no know say Olori Ashley sef get temper like this. I think say na only Olori Mariam na im dey give gbas inside the palace of Ife. Wahala don shele. Wahala don shele. Matter when dem say make e dey sleep, dem don go wake the matter up again. Wetin dey happen? Wasunu. My people, na so we come dey hear dis particular gist o. Allege, na here we hear am, we no dey for there. Say Olori Ashley don dey damaru, don dey scatter everywhere for palace just because of her pikin, her son o. Her son, e come dey be like say no be Ooni of Ife come get dat pikin. The way she dey sound am say make my pikin be the prince, make my pikin be the prince. Na Ooni of Ife pikin na im second son be dat one. Shey na im second son abi im third son sef? E be like say na the third son, because Olori Toby Philip im first born before Olori Ashley. Abi I dey mistake abeg? I no remember o. If I dey mistake, make una drop am for comment section. Who first born among the two of them? Because we know say Olori Philip e born twin. Although allege dem dey talk say the pikin e get k-leg. I no understand the k-leg when e be say e get, say no be Ooni of Ife get pikin, say e do this one, e do this one. I no know. Na here me I dey hear that one. But me I dey count am say na she first Olori Ashley born pikin. Why e come be say she no dey fight make e pikin be the priest of Ile-Ife? Because this matter of my pikin go be the priest, na me na my son be the priest of Ile-Ife. This matter, we don think say the matter don even die go sef, because dem no be now this matter start. Na since last year when Olori Ashley born, na im come write the priest of Ile-Ife. Dem tell am say point of correction, correct yourself fast, not the priest of Ile-Ife. The Ile-Ife already has a priest, which is Tadenikawo. Na mama Tadenikawo, wey be the first queen of Ile-Ife, na she born the pikin Tadenikawo. Dem do all the sacrifice, everything. Dem don perform all the whole gbogbo tigbo when dem go perform for Tadenikawo body, making him the priest of Ile-Ife. So that time dem come tell Olori Ashley. So we all come feel say the matter don go like that. We no know say Olori Ashley still put dis particular matter for mind. She still dey use am take dey provoke for palace. Why e be say no be im son be the priest? Why e be say no be im son be the priest? Wetin dey happen? Dem say provocation don dey for palace. Olori Ashley don dey para, don dey vex inside the palace of Ooni of Ife, don dey destroy things. See, wahala dey o. Make una hold hand o. Dis one wey be say economy no dey smile, even Ooni of Ife sef, everybody body dey tell everybody o, whether you rich you poor o, the economy dey affect everybody. Even our president talk am say im friend when e be say e first dey drive how many motor now, e don reduce am, the economy don reduce the friend. So e dey touch everybody so that she no go destroy wetin go make Ooni of Ife talk say make e comot for palace finally. Because if Ooni of Ife make pronunciation, e go stand o. Be like say dem no give her advice. Una know say Olori Ashley don talk say na she be the first wife of Ooni of Ife, because im with Ooni of Ife don know their self right from their youthful age. Say dem don betroth her to Ooni of Ife. Say Ooni of Ife go be im husband. Say in the spiritual realm dem don marry theirself for so many years. Na in the physical realm na she come become the third wife, abi na the fourth wife. Na the reason why na she dey always perform all the rituals when e be say e dey for the palace of Ooni of Ife. Anything when e concern the Ife kingdom, when e concern the Olori, na she be the head. Na the reason why e be say Olori Mariam dey fight with her, because na she perform that sacrifice, abi wetin dem perform for that festival. So right now my people, wahala dey jam wahala inside where we dey. Now we dey hear story o. Our ear no fit cover because we like am about well. Na so we come dey hear am say Olori Ashley no end for there o. E talk say make Ooni of Ife, say Ooni of Ife must admit say im pikin na im be the priest. If not, say she go comot for the palace. Una know say Olori Queen Naomi Tadenikawo no dey for palace, and dem don dey beg Queen Naomi say make she come the palace with Tadenikawo, so that Tadenikawo go dey with his siblings dem, based on say im don dey get siblings, no be only im one again. Una know say Ooni of Ife first get 2 daughters, but those ones dem dey grown up. Dem no be age mate with Tadenikawo wey go say one day with come dey make dem dey grow up together. Those ones don already grow. So, and im know say Ooni of Ife no go wan hear say make any of im pikin comot for palace, or make e no fit hold any of im pikin or see any of im pikin. Im no dey like am when e be say Tadenikawo no dey with am. Im no be that kind papa. Im no like am, na im make am dey always dey try to fight for Tadenikawo to come down to the palace. Dem say when she talk that one, Ooni of Ife na so e come catch fire. We no know say Ooni of Ife sabi provoke like this before. Dem say Ooni of Ife provoke. He provoke, tell am say if you wan pack your baggages, pack am. You no dey carry im pikin go anywhere. Wahala dey o. Gist full ground o my people. Make I go drink water, I dey come back. Make I come complete the gist for una.